Hello traders, and welcome to Trading with Bill. You can always find me at tradingwithbill.com. Traders, it's a small website, but somewhere to hang out, and you can always take a look at these videos. I do have them on my site. Traders, today is October 9th, 2014, and we are in the Forex spot market. Traders, great to be with you. It's a Thursday afternoon coming up on 5 p.m. in Thailand on Thursday. Sun's getting ready to set. Absolutely beautiful outside. Doors open, windows open. What a beautiful day. Traders, we had a live trading room today, so this is a recap. But before we get there, let me introduce myself to you. Well, my name is William Gilday, but they call me Bill, and that's me. I've been trading from the year of 2006. I started trading full-time after I retired from the Public Safety Department after 27 years in the great state of Florida. Came to Thailand on a 3-month holiday, and traders, today I am still here, living in Thailand. Absolutely wonderful. And I work harder now than I did when I was working my regular job. All right, traders. So we have a live trading room, and of course, I invite you to come and join us, and I'll give you that URL in just a second. However, in our live trading room, we use a diversified trading system, the DTS trading system. Take note of that URL on the bottom of the page. That is the home page for Indicator Warehouse. Go there, check it out. It's a great website. There's some funny things on there. There's a lot of videos. It's just a great time. Really go and check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. It's worth your time. And this week, we put out our brand new system called the RTS, which is the Raptor Trading System. Really cool. So this series today, we did the Raptor charts only. And basically, the diversified trading system is, you can see there are 3 birds. And there's the Hawk, which is our scalping system. There is our Falcon, which is our intraday swing trading system. And then we have our Eagle, which is our trending bird. So what is RTS? The Raptor trading system is where we took all 3 birds and they put them on one chart. Really cool stuff. And you'll get to see that in just a moment. Traders, I'd like for you to come and join us in our trading room. And I'll just keep that chart up there just for a little bit so you can take a look at it. And grab that URL. It's the same URL every day. Traders, we open our live trading room 5 minutes before the London Open. All right, traders, let's take a look at about 3 charts here, and let's take a look. All right, so this, people talk to me, well, you're trading, we trade mean Renko bars. These are not candlesticks. These are Renko bars. So this is the 3 DTS birds all put into one chart, and it's just a great opportunity, and it's affordable, and you can get into the DTS family and have a great time with us. And the trading rooms, whether you trade futures or you trade Forex, is free, and you can come join us. So we were looking at this trade, and we were watching this come up to the 50% fib. It actually crossed the 50% fib. People ask me all the time, well, can you use, other indicators that you would use on a candlestick chart? Absolutely. Why wouldn't you? Don't change what you did before. We're just using Renko bars. That's all. And a different system, of course. With different rules, and different signals to get into trades. So if you look at the 2 gold horizontal bars on the bottom of the chart, one is labeled at 174.06. One is labeled at 173.89. Those were support and resistance that I put on there. And they ended up being both support. So we were looking for this bounce to move up, but as you can see in this chart, this is in a downtrend. So I put a fib on there thinking, well, you know what, maybe we can get this and take this to the downside. So what I did was I put an illustration on. I used the ABCD system, and this is what it looks like. So A to B is where I fibbed, okay? C with a question mark. Well, you can see on the chart there's a rectangle there, and those are the fibs. So anywhere inside those rectangle, if you got, or you obtain, or you get lucky, and you get a bearish Renko bar, and on the bottom of the chart, You see there's a filter down there. Well, if you're going bearish, you want that to be magenta. If you're going long, you want it to be blue. So we're looking for a bearish signal to take this to the downside. And as long as it doesn't take out A, it will go a Fibonacci way, as I put on the chart. If A is not taken out, it will go off Fibonacci way. Well, traders, I'll tell you right now that it did go above A, and this didn't work. And this is, I'm almost positive this is the pound yen, and it is. And it just kept on going. It absolutely took all the pips from yesterday that it did from FOMC and took them all back. So we're back to like where we started yesterday before FOMC. So we were looking to take this down. We want to take this down. You can see that I had a pending order in, and we never got, we did get triggered, and we made profit, and we ended up with, this was a demo account, but we made profit $344 on this trade using the Raptor trading system. All right, let's go over to our next slide. Here's another slide. I'm pretty sure this could be the euro dollar, and it is. All right, so on this euro dollar here, what we have is what I saw was we were at all one. We were at resistance, and my theory was that yes, these blue hollow Winko bars are saying up move, and blue solid bars means it's coming back down. Okay, so I was thinking it was going to come up, it was going to come back down, and get me into the trade. Okay, and that's what we were looking for. So we were looking for this to come up, pull back down, take my entry. I was going to go short. Wanted to go short. My theory behind that was all I wanted was like 12 pips, come back down to the support level. See this gold line right here? That gold line underneath where you can see the reward, that gold line is the Globex line. And I was saying, well, it'll probably retrace back to the Globex line and then continue the mission to the upside. Because if you look at this spatially, this is definitely in an uptrend, right? Well, guess what, traders? It did pull back, but and it did trigger me, but I only made, it's a demo account, only made $34. We use demo accounts today on the Raptor. The reason is because the Raptor is new this week, so me and the traders in the room really didn't want to use live trading accounts. This is a brand new system. We want to work with it. We made some adjustments. The nice thing with the Raptor trading system is you can go in there and you can adjust brick sizes and filter sizes, and you can do a lot of adjustments inside the Raptor. Where it's with the three birds, you're very limited on what you can change and what you cannot change. But the Raptor gives you a lot of opportunity to change settings, like the cloud. Like I changed the settings on the cloud. I changed the setting on the filter on the bottom of the chart, which is basically bought from the Eagle chart. Okay, and that's our trending chart. That's our long-term 12-tick chart. Well, I changed that down to a 10-tick. Okay, and I did that not because it came up and it was my idea, but we had such a great group in the room today. We had 9 traders in the room today, 10 traders in the room. And one of the traders in the room has been using DTS for about 5 months now. And believe it or not, he found it on YouTube. And he trades futures and Forex using DTS. And he suggested me change the settings because of the way Forex moves. Forex moves a lot different than futures. And I invite you to go to our futures room. It's free. Just sign up for it. And you can go and watch Ray in the futures room, and you'll see how different the candles move and the speed of the candles. They're not as quick and as rapid as Forex. Forex is a quite fast-moving system. And again, ignore the. This is the trade manager, which I'll get into it another time. But this basically, you can set your trade up, and basically you can go to the mall shopping. I mean, everything can be taken care of Once you enter the trade, you don't have to do anything. Come back, and that's it. Either got stopped out, or you're in profit, and your run is running. So the Raptor gives you so many different opportunities. And now we brought out the Trailblazer, which is a modified trade manager, but it doesn't have position sizing. So what does that mean? That means the cost came down and is now more affordable, but you get everything else. There's something like over 10 trailing stops that you can use: ATR, percentage, moving average, chandelier. All those are there that you can use for your trailing stops. You still have everything up top here. On the top here is different. You would put how many pips you want to get on your first target, your second target, and the third you would leave at 0, and then just allow and accept your trailing stop. If you have a trailing stop, remember, if you hit it, say you hit moving average, and you hit it, you have to make sure that you hit accept. Otherwise, it is not going to trail your stop. It's basically going to do its own thing. So you got to make sure that you accept that. Also, when placing an order, in other words, you set your order, make sure you hit accept. Or I'm sorry, submit. If you do not hit submit, you are going to be lost in the woods, and you're going to come to your charts, and you're going to think you're 20 pips in profit, and you're going to go, oh my gosh, I forgot to hit the submit button. Yes, I did that, traders. That's why I know. All right, traders, this is our last chart that I wanted to show you. And we were shorting this. We wanted to short this. Again, ignore the money here. The simulated trade manager is set at like over $100,000. So this is not my live account. So ignore that. But anyhow, you can see where my entry was at 58. And you can see it comes down to 58. I thought it was going to break through. I wanted it just to come down to this Globex line right here. You can see where I have a buy limit here where I wanted to get out of the trade. I was expecting it to come back down. What happens? It ended up coming back and going sideways. And it did come down. And I was like 2 pips in profit. And by the time I hit the close button, it charged me for 1 pip. I couldn't get to that close button quick enough. But it was a lot of fun today in the trading room. We had a lot of fun, a lot of people, and really, come and join us. And again, I'd like to thank you for joining me and joining Trading with Bill. And again, you can always go to tradingwithbill.com and our great friends at Indicator Warehouse. And please take note of the URL on the bottom of the page and go look at that website. It is a lot of fun. It's exciting, and it's a great trading system. It's the new revelation. It's like the new up-to-date way to trade Forex, and it's just so exciting. We're having so much fun in the trading room. And remember, traders, we start 15 minutes before the London Open. Traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. The sun is setting. You'll have a great trading session in New York, and we will see you tomorrow, hopefully in the live trading room. Traders, take care, and bye-bye.